What is this? This is a capital alphabet. E. E sounds. E. E. A. Okay, what is this? This is a egg. When you see egg, do you hear first a egg? A egg. A egg. Okay, what is this? This is a elephant. When you see elephant, do you hear first sound? A elephant. Okay, what is this? This is a metro engine. When you see engine, do you hear first sound? A engine. Okay, what is this? This is a elbow. When you see elbow, do you hear first a elbow? Okay, what is this? This is a envelope. 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 When you see envelope, do you hear first sound a envelope? Thank you.